Hey, if you want to make the phone calls on the Google Pixel Watch 3, so first of all, you will have to open this menu with all apps and you will have to keep scrolling until you find the phone dialer. And you've got two options. You can pick something from favorites, recents, contacts, or you can open the dial pad, and now we can input any number that you want to make a call. So now, if you have an eSIM version, then you will make your call straight from your watch. But if you have Wi-Fi version, like in my case, after tapping on this icon, the call will be redirected into your phone. Take a look. There we go. And in my case, not working because I didn't input a SIM card into my phone. But if you have, then the call will be actually available on your smartphone. But of course, you will be able to still make conversation by your watch. So you will have to, there's like microphone, there's the speaker, so you can make the conversation through your watch, but it will actually start calling from your phone because there is the eSIM, right? You know what I mean. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.